Guys, mag-unboxing ako guys. Sapatos ni asawa. Ayun. In-order namin sa online. Tapos, sa Skechers. Ayan. Nagustuhan niya guys. Snoop Dogg. Ayan, guys. This is color black. Black and then white and then green. Ayan. So, hindi na kailangan hindi na kailangan magtali guys ng ng shoelaces. Kasi naka-attach na yung shoelaces. Maganda siya. Look at to. Ang tikod guys, nice ba ya? Wala, nice na din siya. This is size 11. Look at that. Nice kayo. Nice guys, tanan siya. Pinaan lagi ko if merong pang babae, mag-order ako pang babae. Yan. Maganda siya guys. Bagong sapatos. Ayan. Snoop Dogg Skechers. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman yung maleta. In-order ko sa Amazon. Ito natin. Kasi yung malita kasi super laki. Agligid ng gaya niya. Really good. That's really good. Yeah. Like the color. So this is like 5 pieces. Let's see. So this is the big one. Big one. This is the big one, guys. Ganahan ko guys. This is the second. see the third one. I like the second one too. And the third one. Oh, nice. Nice here, guys. Tapos merong merong lock.
TSA lock.
TSA lock, no? Lock mo siya. Babe, can you turn off my thing, babe?
What is that?
My sweet potato.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Nice siya, guys, right? So big. First one is bigger. Second, oh, I like the third one. Enough for my clothes. Look, naman ito pangatlo. I like the color too, blue. Bag. Wala, oy, ganahan lagi ko, oy. This is good bag. I-sale ka dyan siya. This is quality testing. Ganahan ko. I like it. Share love. Ganahan ko, guys. Yan. Tapos yung bag, lano. Pwede na ito pang ano. Oh, nice kaayo. I like this bag. Cute siya. Pwede naman ito ah. Oh, napag yun. Wow, sila na ng toothbrush, toothpaste, lotion, yung pang travel mo. Wow, I like it. Expandable. Tapos pwede pa siya masling. Wow, I like it. Ganahan ko, guys. I like it. Like it, guys. Basta siya. Nakapadoy, oh. Nabutang nimo imuhang sensilyo. Nabutang nimo ito sa pundere. Tapos meron pa dyan rin suglanan. Meron pa dyan pocket sa loob. Zipper. Hello, I like it. Really nice. I like the color. And I can put it like that. Look, guys. Ganahan dyan ko, guys. Ganahan kay kuniya do. Guys, thank you for watching, guys. Cosbarn ang brand. Ito siya. Unahan ko, guys, niya, guys. Yan, unahan kay ko niya, oh. Thank you, guys, for watching. Napahaba na yung aking video.